Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Y'all, my birthday's coming up. August 23rd is my birthday. I'll be 51, fabulous 51. And I got an open invite for everybody here on YouTube that does lovely tablescapes. And if you have never did an open invite, this is the one that you're going to want to do. So let's get started with the rules. The title of your video is going to be called the Gold Rush Tablescape Challenge 20. And that's going to be your hashtag. All the information will be down in my description box. You're going to mention my channel, make sure you have the link, and be subscribed to my channel as well. My fabulous co-host for the Gold Rush Challenge will be Tammy Thompson from TVMG, Love My Babies, Forever Tamara, Levels of Style with Sandra, Saving with Mrs Vee, Veronica, and It's Just Me, Robin. They are also a part of the Sophisticated Ladies Club, but this is not a sophisticated ladies club challenge. This is just a regular open invite from myself. If it's not cheap, I'm not buying it. So make sure to mention all the co-hosts, have their links in your description box, and the time is going to be 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure when you schedule your time, you go over to the time zone and you click New York. That way everybody's on the same time zone and everybody's video will start appearing in the playlist at 11 a.m. And the rules for the challenge has changed. You can use all gold dishes with gold trim or hints of gold. No other color but gold or amber or glass with gold trim. Now, for an example, if you have white dishes and there's gold in them, you can use it. If you have clear dishes with gold trim around, you can use that as well. Anything with gold is allowed for the Gold Rush Challenge. Okay, so that means get all your gold out, your flat, your silverware, your dishes, your gold trim, everything. Bring it all out. Okay, now here is the twist. In a 30-second clip, as the viral sensation of the No Rush Challenge, I'm calling all my YouTubers to come together and do this No Rush Challenge. Now, you're probably saying, what is the No Rush Challenge, Cal? Well, I'm going to want y'all to Google that, if you don't know what it is, on YouTube, and watch all the fabulous celebrities when they did their No Rush Challenge. Now, how we're going to do ours is you're going to video yourself before without any makeup, your fabulous hair, everything. And then you're going to turn your camera off. Go change into your fabulous attire, do your face, put your makeup on, whatever you're going to do for your video. And the twist is to have someone throw you the white or the gold tablecloth and you catch it while you're filming. Reveal yourself and then move strictly right into your tablescape. So I will be dropping my tablecloth down on the floor once I show you what I look like without no makeup and all that stuff. I'll just drop my tablecloth down. When I start my video up, I'll be catching my tablecloth also, and then revealing myself and then moving straight into my tablescape. So if y'all have any questions, always reach out to me down in the comments section if you're unclear, and don't forget to do the Google or the YouTube search for the No Rush Challenge, and I'll give you a type of idea of how it has been going on the last several months. Also, update, there's absolutely no DIYs in the video. If you do any DIYs for this gold Tablescape challenge, please make sure to do a separate video so you can get your watch hours and your views. If there are any DIYs in the video, it will be removed from the playlist because this is a challenge and we want to strictly see your Tablescape. No DIYs, please. Most of all, we want you to have fun. Please use what you have, and this is a no spin challenge. And then please follow the rules for the challenge. The playlist is available, but we would like for you not to upload until August the 23rd. And always make sure to double check the spelling of the hashtag. That way it will flow over to the playlist. I've been noticing that a lot of the hashtags are off, and when I go down on Sunday to watch the videos, there's a lot that are not in the playlist, and you're missing out on your watch time and your views. That's the whole purpose of doing these Tablescapes, to have fun but also to get your views. So always double check my description box. If you just have to copy and paste it and put it into your description box, that is fine as well, because I want to make sure that once the challenge is over on any of my open invites, that I'm able to go over and comment and thank you for participating. And normally I do a separate video thanking all the fabulous creators that participated in any of my open invites. So I don't want to, not include you in my video. One more thing I wanted to add to this, and I know it's a long video. Make sure you do not use the No Rush song in your video. That's copyrighted laws, and we cannot use the song, so just find something, music for you to do your video with. So I want to see everybody do this challenge with me. It's for my birthday, and I just would love for everybody to join in. And it's something different, for us YouTube fabulous creators here. So I cannot wait to see your tables. Keep in mind they're due August 23rd at 11 a.m. And I will see you on my birthday. Y'all stay blessed. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Take care.